SOLIDWORKS 2019 really excites me to give this godlike power in the hands of engineers.
So SOLIDWORKS came natural to us at Markforged because this was the easiest and fastest way to design and create our products. We design and make carbon fiber and metal 3D printers, and we've been using SOLIDWORKS to design these products.
Intercad's a business that's existed for 25 years plus in Australia and New Zealand, and we've had a relationship with Dassault Systems and SOLIDWORKS for over 25 years.
Certified as SOLIDWORKS users, so that will make them more appealing to prospective employers.
What's kept the relationship together, I think both businesses are really committed to their customers. We care about what customers tell us, and we try to then feed back to them products and services that reflect what they're asking for.
We introduced SOLIDWORKS into the company in 2006, and from that day it really changed everything about the business. Not just our design, but how we manufactured and how we communicated even in regards to marketing. We were a traditional manufacturer. SOLIDWORKS allows us to fully develop a vehicle digitally.
So this photo was probably almost 12 months to the
It tremendously changed everything. Our quality went through the roof, improved in such a massive way because everything we produced was coming off a computer, from one computer to another computer.
The solar car we raced in 2017 Darwin to Adelaide in the World Solar Challenge. We came 6th, which is our best ever result for the team. SOLIDWORKS is our CAD program, so we design a lot of prototype parts, and then from that we can make drawings and CAM programs to send off to machine companies and then manufacture those parts. So it's kind of the helping hand to go from what's going on in your head to getting it in real life.
SOLIDWORKS actually is a whole package. So with not only is CAD and also have an analysis package and have other beautiful modules. It's very important to have such a CAD to software package. Oh, it's really amazing one. Yeah, it's a fantastic software for us.
It's definitely a winner.
Innovative, fast, very customer focused.
It's amazing, it's productive, it's entertaining.
It's groundbreaking technology that will help our best brains to actually invent things that will shape the future of our planet.